Hey everybody, got my package in the mail today. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Protein powder. Super greens. And sleep patches. How much did I pay? Let's see. $22 for the protein powder, $18 for the super greens, and $14.95 for the sleep patches. So, and then shipping, what, 10 bucks? So there you go, folks. And I love these sleep patches. The ingredients on there, hopefully that's not backwards. It looks like it's backwards. I'll read it. Oh, hello Dakota. You want to be in my video too? Do you want some protein powder? You want some super greens? There's nothing up here. You need to get off the table. Get down, please. Thank you, sir. 6 milligrams melatonin, 5 milligrams skullcap, 3 milligrams 5-HTP, 2 milligrams GABA, 1 milligram L-theanine, 1 milligram L-tryptophan, from turkeys. When you eat the big Thanksgiving dinner, you got that L-tryptophan going on. Valerian root powder, 15 milligrams, chamomile flower extract, 1 milligram, liquid lavender oil, and then some other word, I don't know how to say it. But if you've not seen the sleep patches before, there's 30 sleep patches in here. You peel it off here. I stick mine on my arm, and in about 30 minutes, I'm out. Don't feel like a zombie in the morning. Love these things. Trying this for the first time, so we'll see how that goes. All kinds of vegetables, alfalfa, wheatgrass, barley grass, oat grass, green tea, morning leaf, aloe vera, dandelion leaf, blackberry, raspberry, strawberry, organic beetroot. Not as much beetroot as in the super reds, but there's still some in here. So I can't take that much of the beetroot because there's some other medication I'm taking. So we'll see how that goes. Protein powder, organic stuff. I love this stuff. There's all kinds of vitamins and organic proteins, amino acids, hemp protein, pea protein, good stuff. Go to my website, joejepsen.com, joejepsen.com. If you want to learn all about this stuff, joejepsen.com/sleep, joejepsen.com/supergreens, or joejepsen.com/livegood, and you look at everything. And as always, message me with any questions.